Hey, YouTube. Long time no see, or shall I say, long time no long content. But here I am today, giving you a tour of what is going on with my garden. First of all, as you can see, everything is a hot mess over there. Um, the shade cloth came down. Oh, excuse me. It came down a couple of months ago when we had that strong wind here in Arizona. And I figured, you know what? It's winter. I'm just going to leave it open. And then over here, let me flip the camera around. I went ahead and add shade cloth along this brick wall. And what do we have here? This is passion fruit. Black sapote, another passion fruit there. And then I have a white sapote here. Couple raised beds. Let me move on back so you guys can see. Here's a smaller 2x2 raised bed, and that over there, that is a 3x3 raised bed. And here's another 2x2 raised bed with a brand new avocado tree. And this is a Catalina, and it's really covered by all sorts of flowers. We have African daisy in the back, the tall ones, and then we have calendula in the middle, and then we have some other flower here at the edge, and various size smaller pots. And then over here, again, here's that 3x3 raised bed. I have a yellow neck fig that decided to not go dormant. So I guess yay for the fig, not yay for me. Uh, and this, it's a hot mess over here. Castor bean. These are the giant green castor beans, and I'm growing them. I'm growing them because they give me that tropical look in the garden. Huge foliage, just beautiful. All right, back to the other side. I went ahead and added this pond in. This is an above ground pond, as you can tell, with lovely plants. This right here is water spinach, yerba manzа, Ruellia. I believe this one is the white color Ruellia. What is this right here? Oh, this is a giant elephant ear. It doesn't really look that giant, but I mean, it's supposed to be giant. Who knows? Maybe I got ripped off. And then here I have a ice cream bean tree that I really pruned the heck out of because of the strong wind that we had the other, well, it was a couple months ago, but anywho, needed to cut it down. Oh, another fig tree right here. This is a Texas blue, and it also decided not to go bald. Oh, just so many stuff. So many. Da, 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 da. Let's go over here. More potted plants. A moringa tree that decided to not also go dormant. Seems like a lot of things are deciding not to go not to go dormant in this garden. I'm I don't know how I feel because I really do need them to go to sleep. All right, more stuff. We have more little raised beds, 2x2s, bigger pots, angel trumpet, more hot mess over here. This right here is my table that I do all my lovely recording for my podcast. And if you guys don't know about the podcast yet, it's called Sewing Green Things. It's also on, well, Well, actually, I haven't really streamed it on any, like, I guess I haven't streamed it on Spotify or anything like that. It's just on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for now. Again, it's called Sewing Green Things. Okay, this is my eighth loquat because I'm not giving up. Um, Another avocado. This is the Marcus Pumpkin. What is that? Magnolia. Just all sorts of stuff right over here. So let's go on and go to the other side because there's more things to show you. And guys, I'm skipping a lot of stuff because there's a lot of stuff. And this year, I am so into flowers. This guy is one of my favorite. This is the foxglove, and I have them in all sorts of color. Trees, trees, trees. Turk's cap. This guy looks like it's a little sleepy. And on this aisle, we have a star fruit that may be getting a little too much water, so I'm going to have to do something about that. And I call this the dark alley, guys, because it is so, it is so dark. Like, because of all these trees that are covering it. And then, sorry about that, there's a dog barking, my neighbor's dog. Okay, so I got some mangoes here, pluot. What is that? Mandarin quad that's has a whole bunch of fruits. I need to pick those. And let's turn around. And let's go to the front or the side lot over here. Oh, oh, back. So I have all these dwarf peach trees. And as you can see, these guys are following the rules. They are going dormant, losing all their leaves. And then over here, a whole bunch of mess. More mangoes. Just, guys, a lot of stuff that I have to put in the ground. And then a couple of weeks ago, I saw these leucadendrons. And I'm like, you know what? It is a must have. A must have. And guys, if you really, really want to get some leucadendrons, just be aware that they like really well draining soil. And not too much sun, especially in the summer, or else they're gonna die. All right. Yeah, everything's a hot mess over here. Hot mess. Hot mess. Still a hot mess. And I took a lot of cannas out from this area because I want to plant this falsaberry here, or also known as the sherbet. I don't know if you can see the sign there. Yeah, we'll see. I do need to do like a nice little makeover in this area. All right, out to the front. I moved the garbage can out here because it smelled. Anywho, here we go. I have some, or lots of pots, and everything is pretty much in pots because I'm scared to put a lot of things in the ground because this area, my neighborhood, is an HOA. So as you can see, the plants have migrated, or at least the fruits and vegetables have migrated to the front garden. And I must say, I am loving it. Here I have, right here, another mango tree. Um, and this right here is a Barbados cherry, and it's really taken off, guys. And this guy I started, or actually I bought it as a 1 gallon, I would say 3 months ago, and look at how tall it is. It is well over 3 feet tall. Yep. And look at how healthy it looks. Other than that, guys, I got nothing else. Until next time, probably next week. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.